All right, next step is number 6. We're going to install the door frame. On this frame, it looks the same except it has a little notch right here. Make sure that this notch is at the bottom right, okay? And make sure to locate M4 by 30 screws, and we're going to install using 4 of these screws. So line up your door frame in here. Take out your screws. This hole right here, line it up with here. Same thing down here. And you'll line up the other side.